If your back keeps flaring up no matter how much you rest, it's not necessarily about resting, but it's about retraining movement patterns. Whether you're bending forward to get that $5 off the ground, reaching overhead to get your favorite coffee cup off that top cupboard, or just trying to spend time and play with your kids, there's always going to be that one thing you do that ends up pulling your back out. Whether you're a busy active professional, a weekend warrior, or an ex-athlete, there's going to be something that you do that seems to always create that aggravating factor that can be crippling or debilitating and take you out entirely to a point where you just end up resting. Because maybe you've tried all the stretching you've seen on social media. Maybe you've tried all the strengthening exercises and thought, I just need to lift heavy weight because that's going to make a stronger back and core for me. But it ends up putting you further into the hole. All of this to say is, it's not that your back is weak, but it's that your brain and your nervous system stops trusting you to move. There's definitely a tactful strategy and approach when it comes to low back pain or pain in general. It really stems from understanding what the root cause of the back pain is. When we can understand that story, we can then create the strategy that is going to be best for you. This is on a case-by-case basis and is very individualized, as everybody has a different story when it comes to low back pain. The first piece of advice I typically give is integrating things like hip hinging, diaphragmatic bracing, and postural awareness, so we have a better understanding and connection to our body. Therefore, when we find ourselves compensating into bad form, our neurology and our nervous system understand how to correct it and how to better optimize that position. In time, this becomes a naturally ingrained habit, but there's definitely a learning process, and the first piece is always moving slow and intentional to build that awareness and connection to how you move. Because this isn't just about pain relief, it's about teaching your body how to move without fear. So if you're ready to move with confidence again, DM me the word back and I'll send you my simple strategies that I use when I start working with someone dealing with low back pain.